The path of disciplined investment helps you to reach your destination. Investors who follow a structured investment approach can succeed in the long run. Are you in search of potential investment opportunity to accomplish your financial goals? Will SBI Life Saral Insure Wealth Plus plan help you to save in a disciplined manner to achieve all your goals? In this video, let us conduct detailed research and find out whether it will be a suitable investment product. Welcome to holisticinvestment.in. SBI Life Saral Insure Wealth Plus is an individual unit-linked non-participating life insurance product. The main features are easy monthly installment, 8 fund options, systematic money withdrawal to facilitate regular payouts, loyalty addition from the end of 6th policy year, partial withdrawal from 6th policy year. Let us look at the benefits under SBI Life Saral Insure Wealth Plus. Death benefit, higher of fund value or sum assured less applicable partial withdrawals, or 105% of total premiums paid, whichever is higher will be paid as death benefit. Maturity benefit, at maturity you will receive the fund value. Next, fund options under SBI Life Saral Insure Wealth Plus. Based on your risk appetite, you can choose from the 8 fund options given in the table. The asset allocation differs under each of the fund options, and it decides the risk profile as well. As an investor, you should choose a fund that matches your personal risk appetite. Next, we shall look at the various charges under SBI Life Saral Insure Wealth Plus. Premium allocation charge. These charges vary according to the policy year. Policy administration charge, for the first 5 years it is nil. From the 6th policy year onwards it is 150 per month. Fund management charge, it ranges between 1.35% and 1.25% per annum. Discontinuance charge, it depends on the year of discontinuance and the premium amount. Mortality charge, it depends on your age and sum at risk. There is no switching charge and premium redirection charge. Partial withdrawal charge, rupees 100 for every partial withdrawal over 1 free partial withdrawal per policy year during 6th to 10th policy year. Inference from these charges. From an investor's perspective, he expects that the product should pay off in terms of returns for the risk taken. SBI Life Saral Insure Wealth Plus has a high risk profile, but these charges pull down the expected return. In other market related instruments, you get better risk adjusted return. Next, we shall discuss the advantages and disadvantages of SBI Life Saral Insure Wealth Plus. Advantages. Death benefit payment can be received in installment. Loyalty additions start from the end of 6th policy year until the end of the selected policy term. From the 11th policy year onwards, you avail the benefit of systematic monthly withdrawal. There are no restrictions on the number of switches during a policy year. Free premium redirection from the 2nd policy month onwards. Next, disadvantages. The lock-in period is 5 years. No loan facility is available. Now let us analyze whether this pocket-friendly investment helps to amass wealth in the long run. To find out the answer, let us work out the internal rate of return for this plan. A 30-year-old male has taken SBI Life Saral Insure Wealth Plus policy, for which he is paying a monthly premium of rupees 10,000, that is rupees 1,20,000 per annum, for a policy term of 15 years with a sum assured of rupees 12 lakhs. He has opted for 100% equity fund. Let us now evaluate the returns under this plan. At the end of the policy term, he would be receiving the fund value. This benefit illustration assumes a gross return of 8% per annum and 4% per annum. These rates, that is 8% per annum and 4% per annum, are assumed rates of return that are used for benefit illustration. It should not be interpreted that the returns under the plan are going to be either 8% per annum or 4% per annum. At the assumed rate of 4%, the fund value would be 20.48 lakhs. The IRR for the 4% scenario is 1.70%. At the assumed rate of 8% scenario, the fund value would be 28.02 lakhs. The IRR for the 8% scenario is 5.65%. The IRR under both scenarios is less than the inflation rate. So, investing in SBI Life Saral Insure Wealth Plus will not help in wealth accumulation in the long run. The risk and return are not proportionate under SBI Life Saral Insure Wealth Plus plan. To get better risk-adjusted returns, let us look for alternate investments. Under the benefit illustration, the sum assured is rupees 12 lakhs, the policy term, and the premium paying term is 15 years. Let us work out a life cover for the same metric and invest the balance amount for wealth creation. A life cover for rupees 12 lakhs would cost rupees 450 per month. So you would be left with 9,550 for investment. The investment could could be equity or debt based on your risk profile. If you are ready to take risk, you can go for equity or else stick to low risk debt instrument. PPF account and ELSS fund are chosen here to demonstrate how each asset class works. The PPF account matures after 15 years. The final maturity value under PPF is 30.13 lakhs. You get an IRR of 6.54% under pure term plus PPF combo. Under ELSS fund, capital gains tax arise at the time of redemption. Tax calculation is given here. The final post-tax value is 42.72 lakhs and the IRR works out to be 10.73%. This is a post-tax return. Investing to achieve life goals is very important and it should yield better returns. The above strategy, that is taking a pure term policy and investing for life goals, helps to achieve it comfortably. You get better returns in this alternate investment when compared to SBI Life Saral Insure Wealth Plus. Here is our final verdict on SBI Life Saral Insure Wealth Plus. It allows you to invest conveniently in the market. It cultivates a disciplined approach in the long run without getting disturbed by the market noise. But the main drawback of this plan is the hefty charges. SBI Life Saral Insure Wealth Plus invest your premium in the market, yet the returns are not worth the risk taken. Even after your continuous efforts in saving and investing will go in vain due to low returns from this plan. Always opt for pure term life insurance plan to protect your loved ones. In order to achieve your aspirations or goals, build an investment portfolio that suits your risk profile. Having a precise awareness of your initial requirements can guide you much better. Professional guidance will help you to convert your savings into reliable resource down the lane. Please consult a certified financial planner for professional guidance. A detailed review of SBI Life Saral Insure Wealth Plus is available as a blog post in our website. The link is given in description box below. Hope you like this video. If you have any questions related to this or any other investment option or related to your financial goal, don't hesitate to book a free appointment with our financial planners. The link to the free booking is given in the description box below. Also, will you be interested to attend any insightful investment webinar? Then feel free to register for the upcoming enlightening investment webinar. It is completely free. The registration link for the upcoming webinar is also given in the description box. If you like this video, please give us thumbs up. Also, share it with your social circle. If you haven't subscribed our YouTube channel so far, please subscribe now.